Hey wellness seekers, let me share a little secret that turned my digestion around in just 1 week. Yep, I'm talking about gram lentils. These tiny powerhouses are packed with 15 grams of fiber per cup, and they worked miracles for my stubborn digestion issues. So here's how to cook them for better digestion. First, soak your lentils overnight. This helps soften them up and makes them easier to digest. Then simmer them for 20 minutes with a touch of cumin and garlic. Trust me, the fiber content helps move things smoothly through your system. Now let's talk recipes. One of my favorites is a hearty lentil soup with carrots and spinach. It's super comforting and easy to make. Another winner? Spiced lentil patties with ginger and turmeric. They're delicious and packed with gut-friendly goodness. Here's a pro tip: add a splash of lemon juice at the end. The acidity helps your body absorb iron better and makes digestion even easier. Give this a try for 7 days straight. I promise your gut will thank you. So grab those gram lentils and start cooking. Until next time, stay well and happy digesting.